Have you ever felt that your life looks perfect on the outside, yet on the inside there's this quiet, hollow ache that you just cannot explain, and wondered, is there something more waiting for me on the other side? My name is Anda Grobler, and I help people to turn their pain into purpose and their grief into gratitude. My mission is to empower 1 million people worldwide to discover meaning in their journey and to transform life's deepest challenges into clarity, strength, and purpose. Because I believe your story is not a limitation, it is, in fact, your invitation. My vision is to impact people by helping them to move to intentional living and to purpose driven transformation. Imagine waking up every morning knowing my story matters and my journey has meaning. Through my Grief to Gratitude program, I support individuals through mental resilience development, healing circles, and my 10-week signature program, Finding Your Purpose in Your Journey from Grief to Gratitude. After losing my daughter 24 years ago at 9 months due to stillbirth, I had to decide, is grief going to define me or is it going to refine my life? Today I know pain can become purpose, loss can become leadership, and your story can become somebody else's survival guide. So if you are ready to transform your grief to gratitude and rediscover your purpose, DM me directly and I'm happy to start this journey with you. I'm looking forward to our journey together. Thank you.